Very, very good morning, my dear students. Today, we are going to do the problems on Newton-Raphson method. Example number 1, E1. Find the real root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0, correct to the 3 decimal places by applying Newton-Raphson method. Solution. Look here. Before starting the solution, we have to make a planning for solution. What is the planning? Look here. Example asks you 3 decimal places. We have to adjust a calculator for 3 decimal places and adjust a calculator for 3 decimal places. I am using the calculator Casio FX 991 ES plus. Therefore, you on the calculator, shift mode button and 6, that is fix. Okay, 6 and 3. Means you have adjusted the calculator for 3 decimal places. That next, my dear students, next step is very, very important. Find the required real root of the equation. Look here, equation is given x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. This is given by examiner. Its real root you have to find out by applying the Newton's Raphson method. But we can find the root by some other method in a shortcut. And if you know the answer of the problem, it becomes easy and you will be very confident. Therefore, find the required root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Look here. Now, by the calculator, I am bringing this x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 on display of the calculator. For that purpose, on the calculator, mode button, 1 COMP button, alpha x, shift x square button. Means you brought x cube on display of the calculator. And minus 2, press and the minus button and 2 button and alpha x. Means you brought minus 2x. Minus 5. Then equal to button you have to bring it so that alpha, look here. This is alpha x. Look here, yeah, alpha x button, you have to press it. Means equal button you brought and equal to 5. Now, look here, alpha calci button you have to press, means equal sign is coming. Look here, equal sign is coming, you know. Alpha calci button you have to press and equal sign is coming and equal to 0. Then on display of calculator, now you got x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Now, my dear friends, next is very important. Look here. You press the shift button and calculate button and equal to button. Look here, my dear students, on display of calculator, this value is coming. And press the equal to button, then 2.095. This is required final answer of this problem. Required real root of equation is x equal to 2.095. Now, look here, my dear students. Look here. We have to show. Now we have to make a plan. We come to know that root is 2.095. 2.095 means this root lies between 2 and 3. We have to show it to the examiner that we have to show that root lies between 2 and 3 and nearer to 2. Therefore, x0 equal to 2. We have to show it to the examiner. Then, in a solution, and use the Newton-Raphson method now. Then, Newton-Raphson method is x n plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, actually, the real solution starts now, my dear students. This is in rough, you do all these things. Now, let fx is given by examiner, x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 by the data. Then f of 2, you bring this, look here. You bring x cube minus 2x minus 5 in calculator. You bring it in calculator. Okay, on the calculator, mode button, 1 COMP, that is COMP, and x cube minus 2x minus 5 on the display of the calculator. And press the calculate button, it asks value of x. The value of x is 2. Look here, we have to show it is lies between 2 and 3. X is 2, equal to button, minus 1 you are getting. Look here, f of 2 equal to -1, smaller than 0. Then next again, you bring this expression on the display of calculator, x cube minus 2x minus 5. Again, calci button. Now it asks value of x. You enter the 3. Then you equal to button. Then 16 you are getting. F of 3 is 16. It is greater than 0. Therefore, look here. This is smaller than 0. This is greater than 0. Then root lies between 2 and 3. But see, which is nearer to 0? -1 is nearer to 0 than the 16. 16 is far away from 0. Therefore, root lies nearer to 2. Therefore, root lies nearer to 2. Therefore, x0 equal to 2. You take. Then, by the Newton-RAPHSON method, formula you write xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn and f dash. F of x, look here. F of x is already known to you here. And f dash x we want. F dash x means differentiation. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of 2x is -2. Differentiation of 5 is 0. 3x minus 2. Okay. Now, next. Now, look here, my dear students. These iteration starts now. This examiner see them. Look here. N equal to, you write them. Then n equal to 0 in, look here. Here. Newton-Raphson, n equal to 0, you write. It becomes x1. This is x0. F of x0, f dash of x0. The same thing here. Look here. N equal to 0, x1, x0, f of x0, f dash of x0. Now, x0 you write, f of x0 means fx value you write. X0 bracket cube minus 2, x0 minus 5. Because this is fx value. And f dash x, 3x square minus 2 is there. And 3x0 square minus 2. And equal to button, you write and leave some space. And x1, keep the bracket. I will tell you how to get it in shortcut way. Then n equal to 1. Then this becomes what? Now n equal to 0, x1 it is. If you put n equal to it is x2. And now the x1, this x0 becomes x1 now. F of x1 minus f dash of x1. x1 minus x1 bracket cube minus 2x1 minus 5 divided by 3x1 square minus 2 equal to, keep some space, and x2 keep this bracket empty. I will tell you how to get the answer. Then in a shortcut way. And n equal to 2, x cube equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. And is the RHS. x2 minus x2 cube minus 2x2 minus 5 divided by 3x cube minus 2. Close the bracket, keep some space, and some space. Now, look here, my dear students. Now, see here, x0 value, look here. You have to put x0 value, find out this. And put x1 value, you have to find out. You write answer. And put x2 value, this x2 value here, and find out answer. And the mechanical calculation, manual calculation is very tough. And so that I will use the shortcut method in calculator. X0. What is X0? You know this. X0 is 2. Means X0. You have to put 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and find out. Now, please look here. On the calculator, then look here. Here, X0. What is X0? 2. Now, where you have the look here, you press the 2 and equal to button. Okay, means you store the 2 at the answer button. Look here, remember it here. You press simply on the calculator, you press the 2 equal to button, you press, and AC button. And where is 2 now? In the answer. You put the answer and equal to button. Look here on the display of calculator, 2 is coming. Okay. Now, look here, very, very important trick it is. Now, where is the 2? In the answer. Look here. You press the answer button. And here, minus. Look here, minus button. Now, look here, bracket. You put the bracket. And inside this numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator button, you press it. Look here, numerator, denominator button. See here, this is numerator divided by denominator button. You press it inside the bracket. Then please look here. Now, what is here? This is answer. X0 square means answer square, answer cube. Answer shift x square, answer cube, minus 2 and answer, and minus 5. Then you bring the cursor to the denominator. Look here, 3. Now answer and square. Now x square means answer square, minus 2. Then shift this cursor here. Now close the bracket. My dear students, look here how the magic it is. Now, here, look here, x1 I want means you press the calculate once, then 21 upon 10 is coming, and SD button 2.1. Look here, my dear students, 2.10. Here 2.100. Now look here, 2.100. Now look here, my dear students, this 2.10, where it is in answer button. Now look here. Now this x1 value you want it here. Then already in answer button it is there. Simply you press the calculate button once again. Then and SD button you press 2.095. Look here, 2.095. 2.095. Look here, 2.095. Now, please look here. Already in answer it is there. Now, look here. This is next iteration we want. What you do? Simply press the calculate button once again. Then 2.095 is coming. Look here. Look here, it is 2.095. 2.095. Look here. This is also 2.095. This is also 2.0. These are equal. No necessary to go for next iteration. Now, therefore, this is also 2.095. Not necessary to write. Simply for sake of your benefit, I am writing 2.095. Therefore, you write x equal to x2 equal to x3 equal to 2.095 is the required real root. Required real root. You write the answer. Real root. Now, look here, verification of answer. Verification of solution. And therefore, f of x equal to f of 2.095. This is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. And if you put this at 2.095, this is 0, 0, 0, you are getting. Now this is equal to RHS. Now, if you verify this answer, the examiner has to give the marks. If it do not give the marks, he has to go to the jail. Okay, wish you good luck. My dear students, wish you all the best for exam. Okay, thank you.